Let's go. Good morning, dear viewer. Welcome to another interesting lesson. In this lesson, you'll be taking through the terminologies in ICT. Now, when we talk of ICT is the acronym for Information and Communication Technology. That is ICT. Information and Communication Technology. Good. Now, there are certain words that you would be coming across in this course, ICT, and they are frequently appearing. Anywhere you pass, any of the units, you're likely to come across them. And these are the words we are coming to look at. Now, first of all, we look at ICT, that is the I under the ICT. Now, when we talk of the I stands for information. 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 Now, what is information? Informations are the answers you get when you process the data. The end product of processing the data is what we term as the information. Information. Good. Now, the C stands for communication. Communication. Now, communication is when this product is being transferred from one person to another for consumption. Is what we term as what? Communication. That is sending and receiving this information. When you send the information that has been processed to someone, then the person will tell you that he has received it and the person also received it. That is what is termed as what? Communication. Now we go to technology. That is a T. Technology. Now technology talks about the practical science. Practical science involves in processing data into information and communicating data from one person to another. The practical science involved. Yes, there is a science involved in ICT. ICT is a science on its own. The practical science inside this ICT, information and communication technology, is a technology aspect. The practical science is a technology aspect. Now, apart from this ICT, you are likely to come across data. Now, when we talk of data is in a form of text, sound, or numbers which is suitable for processing. Now, when we talk about suitable for processing, this data has to be entered into the computer so that it can be processed. Now, when you key in a number, you key in a text, or you put in a sound in a computer for the computer to do something for you, that sound, that number, that text you kept inside is what is termed as data. Now we go to programs. This is another term that you will frequently come across when you are dealing with what? ICT. Now, programs, they are a set of instructions that guides and directs the computer on what to do when a type of data is kept into it. Yes. Now, when you want to perform, let's say, a calculation using your computer, you key in 2 maybe plus 3, and you key in the equal sign. Now, after keying in the equal sign, there is a set of instructions that tells the computer what to do when equal sign is pressed given this data. So that set of instruction is what is termed as a program. Now we'll go to the last terminology, and that is what? E-learning. Now when we talk of learning is the acquisition of knowledge and skills. That is learning. Now when we talk about E, and where you see the letter E under ICT, E is mostly used for electronic E. That is what is mostly used for. So when we talk about e-learning talks about acquiring of knowledge and skills using electronic media. I'll talk about electronic media. Electronic media are media that use electricity. For example, a computer, a radio, a television. Now, someone will say radio does not use electricity. Good. You might be right if you say radio does not use electricity. But don't forget that dry cells are also source of electricity for the radio. When we talk about mobile phone, they are also e-learning because we acquire skills through the use of mobile phone. Good. Now these are the common terms that you would come across when you are using ICT as a course or when you are taking ICT as a course. I hope you have understood the terms well and very well. Stay close and go by the lesson once again. Thank you for your view.